Hi, my name's Charles Dunstan. I guess I knew I was an entrepreneur. I kind of ran a business when I was still at school, selling stuff in the school. So it's kind of been in my bones, I guess, from a pretty early age. The truth about starting Couple Motors, I was just a lucky idiot in the right place at the right time. I worked selling mobile phones for a large manufacturer of mobile phones, and I just decided to try and sell some myself. I think the thing I found most surprising, having worked for a large company, was actually how much work there is to do to make a business work actually before you get the chance to do what you started the business to do. So what I mean is, you have to have desks and computers and a photocopier, and you have to have a way to pay people and do the VAT and pay the rent. And it felt like I spent till like 4 or 5 o'clock every day just managing the infrastructure to allow you to be in business to sell mobile phones. I think the most important thing is to be resilient and just have the fortitude to believe in what you're trying to do. And I'm the sort of person, when people tell me I can't, or it's impossible, or I'm going to fail, that actually gives me strength, not the other way around. So you've got to have that stubborn way of doing it. And I think in the current world is you've got to think differently about things. So I always say, if the world zigs, we zag. So always try to have a different point of view, a different way of doing anything, and to be an opportunist. Because as you go through life, situations change, things change. Very often there's an opportunity to take advantage out of the change if you're imaginative and creative about approaching what's happening. And nearly every situation, actually there's an opportunity in it somewhere. You just have to seize it.